Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video let me show you a Yaki street hair texture. And this is two bundle with one 5x5 closure with Yaki street hair. This is a steam process to Yaki hair, light Yaki as per customer's requirement. And see, this is from human Remy hair. If you want best like process from the virgin hair, we can also do that. And from Remy hair, it's also very smooth and very nice sitting. No any tangling or nothing issue, no problem for tangling. So take a close look at this hair texture. Very nice fitting. So if you want any type of texture, including this Yaki texture, you can place your order with us. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a great day.